Hello children, good morning to you all. Hope you have understood English concept what I taught you today, okay? Now I am going to teach you social studies lesson. Okay, let us start with our social studies second session. Today. So, let us start with our social studies. Yesterday I gave you a brief introduction about our textbook, about the lessons, about all other things, and also told you that our first lesson will be globe maps, which we are going to learn today. Globe map. In this lesson, global map. Yesterday I told you about I gave you the idea of different lessons, and I gave you the idea of physical divisions of the world. Okay, and I told everything, how they are divided, on what basis, and each physical division comes under one lesson for us. Okay, so first three lessons we have general topics about the earth. We have three different topics, general topics about the earth. The first is globe and map, second is latitudes and longitudes, third is weather and climate. These these three lessons, it will be easy for you to understand the physical divisions of the earth. It is very easy for you to understand the physical divisions of the earth after studying these three topics. So first we are dealing with these three topics. In that first we are taking globe and map. What is globe and what is map? What are their uses? How they are useful to us in the study of social studies, etc. We are going to know about them now. Understand? So, before going to know about all these things, we should know. So, we are starting with first lesson. So, what I feel is, before going to the explanation, if you learn the new terms, difficult words, it will be easy for you to read the lesson at home after my explanation. Then you can understand the lesson very easily. So first, if you know the meanings and pronunciation of the words which you come across in the lesson, then it will be easy for you to read the lesson properly, correctly, and understand it. And through it you can understand what I teach also. So that is why first in this topic we are going to write few new terms, not all at a time. Half the lesson today I will give and I will teach you tomorrow. That half the lesson. If possible, I can teach today also. Understand? So after giving you this hard words of half the lesson, writing them on the blackboard, we are reading them 3 times, 4 times each word properly. Understand? We are reading them properly. After reading is over, you are going to get the typed matter of these new terms in your class group message, which you are going to write 2 times each. Every word you are going to write 2 times. And after writing each word 2 times, you are going to leave a line. Understand? So, first of all, knowing the words used in the lesson is very important. Why it is important? Because you can read the words, understand their meanings, then it will be easy for you to read the lesson properly and understand the lesson. Then you can even understand the lesson and you can read it and understand, and you can even give concentration on my explanation. Simply I go on explaining hard words without giving their meanings, without showing their spellings, without their pronunciation, how to read and all. It is meaningless. So let us start with new terms. First, one time I will read and write them on the blackboard. Okay. So once again, before starting my work, I would like to tell you, please sit with your notebook and textbook, pencil box with you every day. Please sit with your textbook, book, notebook and pencil box. So it will be easy for you to write them. Learning what you do when you are watching your mobile phone lesson or on the TV screen, what you have to do, you listen to me carefully and you have to look at me and find out how I read. Same way you follow while reading them. So let us start. First word is significant. 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 SIGNI. Signi. FICANT. Ficant. Significant. Second one is prevails. Pre. VAILS. Vails. Prevails. 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 Third comprises. 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 LAND. Land. MASSES. Land masses. LAND. Land. MASSES. Land masses. Continents. 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 Then oceans. 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 These are only for reading. You are not going to write anything from the blackboard. You are going to write from your phone where you get typed matter. Please don't write. Just it is for reading. Position. Located. Located. Globes. Globes. Spherical. Slightly. Slightly. Spherical. 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 flattened, 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 flattened. Realistic, Real, real, ISTIC, realistic, REALISTIC, realistic. Dimensional, MEN, SION, dimensional, aerial. DIMENSIONAL, dimensional. Informative, in for MATIVE, mative, informative. MATIVE, informative. Detailed, 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 DEDTAILED, detailed. Latitudes, LATITUDES, latitudes. LATITUDES, latitudes. LONGITUDES, longitudes. LONGITUDES, longitudes. Provides, PROVIDES, provides. PROVIDES, provides. And the last word for today, only for today, it is occupies. OCCUPIES, occupies. OCCUPIES, occupies. Let us start reading. SIGNIFICANT, significant. SIGNIFICANT, significant. SIGNIFICANT, significant. PREVAILS, prevails. PREVAILS, prevails. PREVAILS, prevails. COMPRISES, comprises. COMPRISES, comprises. COMPRISES, comprises. LAND, land. MASSES, masses, land masses. LAND, land. MASSES, masses, land masses. LAND, land. MASSES, masses, land masses. CONTINENTS, continents. CONTINENTS, continents. CONTINENTS, continents. OCEANS, oceans. OCEANS, oceans. OCEANS, oceans. POSITION, position. POSITION, position. POSITION, position. LOCATED, located. LOCATED, located. 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 Globes. 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 Slightly. 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 Spherical. 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 Flattened. 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 Realistic. 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 Dimensional. 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 Informative. For mative. Informative. Informative. DETAI LED. Detailed. DETAI LED. Detailed. LATITUDES. 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 LONGITUDES. 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 PROVIDES. 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 OCCU. PIES. Occupies. OCCU. PIES. Occupies. OCCU. PIES. Occupies. Once again let us read. SIGNI FICANT. Significant. PREVAILS. Prevails. COMPRISES. Comprises. LAND. Land. MASSES. Masses. Land masses. CONTINENTS. Continents. OCANS. Oceans. POSITION. Position. LOCATED. Located. GLOBES. Globes. SLIGHTLY. Slightly. SPHERICAL. Spherical. FLATTENED. Flattened. REALISTIC. Realistic. DIMENSIONAL. Dimensional. INFORMATIVE. Informative. DETAI LED. Detailed. LATITUDES. Latitudes. LONGITUDES. Longitudes. PROVIDES. Provides. OCCU. PIES. Occupies. So these are 20 words I gave you. These are the 20 words I have given you on the blackboard. Same thing I am going to type and give. What you are going to do? You are going to write them in your notebook. You are going to write them in your notebook. Each one 2 times. Each one 2 times you are writing. Then leaving a line, then writing the next. So in one page like this you are making 2 columns. Then if place is not enough, you can write on the next page. What you have to do first? Write the name of the lesson, then next heading, new terms, then write each word 2 times in your notebook without any spelling mistakes, neatly. Understood? Then it will be easy for you to learn, and after writing you try to read the lesson also. Understand? So in this way it will help you to read the lesson. Wait, what I do, how many words I give, from where I give, I am going to read the lesson. Understand? So if you have textbook, you also can read at home today. So let me read. I gave only first page, children. Only first page. So I am reading. Our earth is the most significant part of the solar system. This is the only planet where life prevails. Our earth comprises of large land masses called the continents and the larger water bodies known as the oceans. Their position can be located on the earth with the help of the globes and maps. You know that our earth is spherical in shape. Towards the poles, it is slightly flattened. But the realistic view of the earth could be viewed only through the globe. The globe is a small and true model of the earth. It is the three-dimensional model. It is very informative. A globe gives us detailed and correct information about the shape of the earth. Both the poles, latitudes and longitudes, oceans and continents are shown on it. It provides more clear picture of the earth. Thus, it can give a more clear idea about the planet. A small globe is easy to handle, but it gives very little information. Big globe is difficult to handle. It occupies a lot of space and cannot be carried everywhere. It cannot show detailed information. Maps can solve this problem. A map is a drawing of the earth or a part of it on a flat surface. Only this part I read, and you got hard words only from this part. So you have to read these hard words, this page. Write these hard words 2 times each in your notebook. So this is it for today. Thank you.